Norway, a country renowned for its dramatic landscapes, deep fjords, and vibrant culture, offers an array of stunning destinations that captivate the hearts of travelers. Here are the top 15 must-visit places in Norway, each with its own unique charm and allure. Let's start with number 15. Trolltunga. Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue, is one of Norway's most iconic rock formations. Jutting out horizontally from a mountain about 700 meters above the Ringedalsvatnet Lake, this dramatic cliff offers an exhilarating hike and breathtaking views. The trek to Trolltunga is challenging, spanning about 28 kilometers round trip and taking 10 to 12 hours to complete. Despite the difficulty, hikers are rewarded with a unique photo opportunity and a sense of accomplishment standing on the edge of this famous rock. The best time to visit is from mid-June to mid-September, when the trail is free of snow and the weather conditions are favorable. Number 14. Aurlandsfjord. Aurlandsfjord is one of Norway's most picturesque fjords, renowned for its serene beauty and stunning surroundings. A branch of the larger Sognefjord, Aurlandsfjord stretches for about 29 kilometers, flanked by steep mountains and lush greenery. The quaint village of Flom, located at the innermost part of the fjord, serves as a perfect base for exploring the area. Visitors can take a scenic boat tour on the fjord, experience the historic Flom Railway, or embark on a hike to the Stegeston viewpoint, which offers panoramic vistas of the fjord below. Aurlandsfjord provides an idyllic setting for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility amidst Norway's natural splendor. 13. Kristiansand. Kristiansand, located on Norway's southern coast, is a charming city known for its vibrant summer scene, beautiful beaches, and family-friendly attractions. As the fifth largest city in Norway, Kristiansand offers a mix of cultural experiences and outdoor activities. The Kristiansand Zoo and Amusement Park is a major draw for families, featuring a variety of animals, themed areas, and thrilling rides. The city's picturesque old town, Posebyen, with its well-preserved wooden houses, provides a glimpse into Kristiansand's history. Additionally, the nearby archipelago offers opportunities for boat trips, swimming, and relaxation on sandy beaches. Kristiansand is a delightful destination for a coastal getaway. 12. Atlantic Road. The Atlantic Road, or Atlanterhavsveien, is a stunning stretch of road that winds its way through an archipelago in Norway's western fjords. Spanning approximately 8.3 kilometers, this engineering marvel connects the islands between Molde and Kristiansund. The road is famous for its dramatic twists, turns, and bridges that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding ocean and rugged coastline. Often referred to as one of the most beautiful drives in the world, the Atlantic Road is a popular route for road trips and cycling. Along the way, visitors can stop at viewpoints, fishing spots, and hiking trails to fully appreciate the area's natural beauty. Number 11. Pulpit Rock. Pulpit Rock, or Preikestolen, is one of Norway's most famous natural landmarks. This massive cliff, with a flat top that rises 604 meters above the Lysefjord, provides one of the most exhilarating viewpoints in the country. The hike to Pulpit Rock is moderately challenging, covering about 8 kilometers round trip and taking approximately 4 to 5 hours to complete. The trail offers stunning views of the surrounding fjord and mountains, culminating in the breathtaking panorama from the top. Pulpit Rock is best visited from late spring to early autumn, when the trail is accessible and the weather is favorable. It's an unforgettable destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts. 10. Trondheim. The city of Trondheim, Norway's historic capital, is a city rich in culture, history, and scenic beauty. Known for its medieval architecture, vibrant art scene, and picturesque waterfront, Trondheim offers a diverse array of attractions. The Nidaros Cathedral, the largest medieval building in Scandinavia, is a must-visit landmark, renowned for its stunning Gothic architecture and historical significance. The Old Town Bridge and the colorful wooden buildings along the Nidelva River provide a charming backdrop for a leisurely stroll. Trondheim is also a hub for education and innovation, home to the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. With its blend of history and modernity, Trondheim is a captivating destination for travelers. 9. Tromsø. Tromsø, located above the Arctic Circle, is a city known for its vibrant culture, stunning natural surroundings, and as a prime location for viewing the Northern Lights. Often referred to as the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø offers a unique blend of urban and wilderness experiences. During the winter months, visitors can embark on Northern Lights safaris, go dog sledding, or enjoy snowshoeing in the pristine Arctic landscape. In the summer, the midnight sun illuminates the city, providing endless daylight for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and whale watching. The Arctic Cathedral, with its striking architecture, and the Polar Museum, showcasing the region's history, are notable attractions in Tromsø. 8. Ålesund. Ålesund, known for its distinctive Art Nouveau architecture, is one of Norway's most picturesque towns. Following a devastating fire in 1904, the town was rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style, resulting in a unique and charming cityscape. Ålesund's location on a series of islands provides stunning views of the surrounding fjords and mountains. The Oxla viewpoint, accessible via a series of steps, offers panoramic vistas of the town and its beautiful setting. Ålesund is also a gateway to the nearby Geirangerfjord and the Sunnmøre Alps, making it an excellent base for exploring the region's natural beauty. The town's rich cultural heritage and striking architecture make it a must-visit destination. 7. Svalbard. Svalbard, an archipelago situated between mainland Norway and the North Pole, offers a truly unique Arctic adventure. Known for its remote wilderness, rugged landscapes, and abundant wildlife, Svalbard is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventurers. Longyearbyen, the largest settlement on the archipelago, serves as the primary base for exploring the region. Visitors can embark on guided tours to see polar bears, Arctic foxes, and reindeer in their natural habitat. Svalbard's glaciers, ice caves, and fjords provide opportunities for hiking, dog sledding, and snowmobiling. The archipelago's extreme environment and pristine beauty offer an unforgettable Arctic experience. 6. Trollstigen. Trollstigen, or the Troll's Path, is one of Norway's most famous and scenic drives. This serpentine road winds through the rugged mountains of the Romsdal region, featuring 11 hairpin bends that ascend a steep incline. As you navigate this thrilling route, you're rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls. At the top, a visitor center offers panoramic views and a chance to stretch your legs and soak in the awe-inspiring scenery. The drive to Trollstigen is an adventure in itself, making it a must-visit for those who love dramatic landscapes and adrenaline-pumping experiences. 5. Stavanger. Stavanger is a vibrant city located on the southwestern coast of Norway, known for its rich history and thriving cultural scene. The city is a gateway to some of Norway's most famous natural attractions, including Pulpit Rock and Geiranger. Stavanger itself boasts a charming old town with well-preserved wooden houses, a bustling harbor, and numerous museums, such as the Norwegian Petroleum Museum and the Stavanger Art Museum. The city's culinary scene is also noteworthy. with a variety of restaurants offering everything from traditional Norwegian dishes to international cuisine. Number 4. Lofoten Islands. The Lofoten Islands, located above the Arctic Circle, are known for their dramatic landscapes, picturesque fishing villages, and rich wildlife. The islands offer a unique blend of stunning natural beauty and cultural experiences. Visitors can explore the rugged mountains, white sandy beaches, and crystal clear waters. Activities such as hiking, fishing, kayaking, and wildlife watching are popular here. The Lofoten Islands are also one of the best places to witness the northern lights during the winter months, providing a magical experience for visitors. Number 3. Oslo. The city of Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends modernity with history. The city is known for its green spaces, contemporary architecture, and rich cultural scene. Major attractions include the Viking Ship Museum, showcasing well-preserved Viking ships, the Oslo Opera House with its striking design, and the Vigeland Sculpture Park, featuring over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland. Oslo is also home to numerous art galleries, museums, and a bustling waterfront area, Aker Brygge, where visitors can enjoy a variety of dining and shopping options. Number 2. Bergen. The city of Bergen, known as the Gateway to the Fjords, is a picturesque city surrounded by 7 mountains and 7 fjords. The city's historic wharf area, Bryggen, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring colorful wooden buildings that date back to the Hanseatic League. Bergen offers a variety of cultural attractions, including the Bergen Fish Market, the Bergenhus Fortress, and the Edvard Grieg Museum. The Fløibanen funicular takes visitors to the top of Mount Fløyen, providing panoramic views of the city and surrounding landscape. Bergen is also a starting point for fjord tours, allowing visitors to explore the stunning fjords of Western Norway. Number 1. Geirangerfjord. Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is considered one of the most beautiful fjords in the world. The fjord is known for its deep blue waters, towering cliffs, and numerous waterfalls, including the famous Seven Sisters and the Suter. The village of Geiranger, located at the head of the fjord, serves as a base for exploring this natural wonder. Boat tours, kayaking, and hiking are popular activities here, offering visitors the chance to experience the fjord from different perspectives. The Eagle Road, with its hairpin bends, provides breathtaking views of the fjord and the surrounding mountains. Norway's diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage make it a top destination for travelers seeking adventure, natural beauty, and unique experiences. From the iconic Trollstigen and serene Aurlandsfjord to the vibrant cities of Oslo and Bergen, there is something for everyone in this Scandinavian gem. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, history buff, or culture lover, Norway promises unforgettable memories and spectacular views.